Welcome to Infant India's education world.
Hello students, I am your biology teacher. Today I will teach you about reproduction in plants. So first of all, we will learn about the flower and its part. A typical flower have 4 holes: sepal, petal, stamen and pistil. But the filamentous part by which a flower is attached to the branch is known as pedicel. The filamentous part by which flower is attached to the branch is known as pedicel, and the top portion of the pedicel, which is flattened, is known as receptacle, or it is also known as thalamus. Okay. Now sepal is the first hole of the flower, which is green in color, and group of sepal is known as calyx. And the second hole of the flower is petal, is a single colored leaf, and group of petal is known as corolla. Now the third part of the flower is stamen, which is male part of the flower. Its group is known as androecium, and the fourth hole of the flower is known as pistil, and the group of pistil is known as gynoecium. Gynoecium means pistil is the female part of the flower and stamen is the male part of the flower. So in this lecture we will know about the parts and its flowers. Now the functions of the sepal, petal, stamen and pistil. First of all, function of sepal. It is green in color, so its main function is photosynthesis, because it have chloroplast, so it can synthesize food for the growing flowers. And the next whole petal, which is colored, its main function is to attract pollinating agents toward the flower. And the stamen has anther, which produces pollen grains. When you cut a typical anther, there will be 4 chambers which are known as pollen chambers. Within pollen chambers, pollen grains are formed, which are male reproductive body. And the pistil have also 3 parts: stigma on the top, a cup-like structure, and a narrow tube-like structure known as style, and the broad wide portion is known as ovary. In ovary, ovules are present, which are female reproductive bodies. A pollen grain is a spherical body having 2 layers, means outer membrane and inner membrane. The outer membrane is spiny, having hooks and spines on it, is known as exine, and the inner membrane of the pollen grain is known as intine. Pollinating agents transfer pollen grains from anther to the stigma of the flower. This transferring of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of the flower is known as pollination. I hope you understand very well about the part of flower and about the pollination. Thank you.
Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.